Hello learners, and welcome to your English instructional launch for week 33. In this week's launch, our objectives are to review the focus areas that align with your project, the final project of the year, introduce the checkpoints that we haven't talked about in the previous weeks, and to preview finishing up the final products. Learners, please remember, if you don't understand something, your first thing to do is to be self-reliant and review previous week's launches that can help you understand what you need to do. So let's take a look at the 7th grade year. We have 5 projects in English for 7th grade. Hopefully your year is looking a lot like this, being caught up to the blue line and everything green. If it's not, then you have some work to do. And again, if you have questions, your first thing should be to go back and review the launch videos. So let's take a look at our last one, Justice and Injustices. And if you hover over here, you're going to see that it pops up a little menu of which focus areas are related to this project. Now these are the ones that are in the additional focus areas. Audience and purpose and point of view are in the additional. Argumentative structure, though, was one that was in your regular power focus areas. You do not have to have additional focus areas complete to be able to be promoted this school year. However, it really does help to boost your grade. So if I click on this box and open it up, you're going to see those final products. What you need to have for this project: you need to have a paragraph of something that you're analyzing the letters from different sources that were in the first checkpoint. You'll need to have your own final letter using the inspiration from the letters that you read, and pick out, brainstorm, choose a topic of a social injustice that you'd like to see corrected, such as bullying, gun laws, etc. And then finally, there is going to be a slideshow so that you can present what your solution is to some sort of injustice, whether it is bullying, animal rights. There are some examples in the activities that we're going to find. So we talked about this last week about identifying point of view. When you open this one up, you're going to see some letters, and you're going to choose one of those letters. We talked about this one also, the outline for your paragraph. We previewed the organizer, and this probably is the most important, is for you to choose your topic, what you are going to talk about. And here was a task card with lots of ideas of things that you could discuss in your presentation, in your letter. Public law enforcement, gender equality, animal rights, bullying is a big one. Look these over. This could probably help you, because there's some nice websites here that would be very, very good to have as your evidence. Okay, so after you get your letter outline, you've chosen your topic, you've done some research by going out and looking for some more information about what you're going to be talking about, whether it's cyberbullying, bullying, your choice again. Then you're going to be creating a slideshow, and they have a nice template. So if you click that open, here you go. There they have it right here so that you can do your slideshow for your final product. So again, 7th grade, what you're producing is a paragraph after one of those letters that you read, a letter that you are writing about a topic that you choose, and then a slideshow about your letter and what you propose to do about something that you feel needs corrected in our society. So learners, this Monday, April 16th, means we have 30 school days left until the end of the school year, your hard deadline to get all of those projects and all those focus areas complete so that you can be promoted on to the next grade. But what happens if you don't get done? Well, there's a message from our principal, Mrs. Salyers, regarding if that is a possibility.
So time is definitely getting short, and I just want to encourage you to work hard, finish strong, and have a plan. So what I would do if I was tackling something like this is add up all the stuff I have to do and start dividing it by how many days I have left. So if you have 80 topics, assignments, focus areas, projects to do, divide that by 35 and you know how many you have to do each day. So remember, the end of the year is a hard deadline to finish. There will not be an option just to get extra time to finish out what you're doing. So this is your reminder to really keep working and finish strong, and be in touch with your learning guides and me. If we can help you in any way, we're more than glad to do that. Please attend Learning Labs to get some concentrated work time in, and looking forward to lots of great work from you guys. And hang in there, it's almost summer.
Okay, learners, so the big concept is there are 30 days left to get all your schoolwork done so you can move on to the next grade. We still are doing Focus on the Finish competition, and right now 8th grade has the lead. However, the other grades, if they keep on working, especially 9th grade, they could take it over. There are some folks that have been working hard. I want to encourage everybody to keep on keeping on and fill out the survey at the end of this video.